Most people know the Dyson sphere as a giant sci-fi megastructure around a star. But the physicist who made it famous once said the whole idea was just a little joke and didn't expect it to become world famous. That's a surprising twist on one of the wildest concepts in space science. A Dyson sphere is a hypothetical structure that completely surrounds a star to capture almost all its energy output. Imagine a shell or swarm so huge it captures every bit of light and heat, giving an advanced civilization near limitless power. The idea came from a short 1960 paper by physicist Freeman Dyson, who wasn't trying to design engineering marvels. He was looking for new ways the SETI program, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, might detect advanced alien civilizations by looking for unusual heat signatures in space. Freeman Dyson was a brilliant theoretical physicist and mathematician, known for work ranging from quantum field theory to space science. In that 1960 paper, he discussed how a highly advanced race might construct megastructures to harness all of their star's energy. Here's the twist. Dyson didn't describe the structure as a solid shell or sphere. In fact, he said the structure he imagined was more like a cloud or swarm of objects orbiting the star, not the rigid sphere you see in sci-fi. He even used the word artificial biosphere in his paper to emphasize habitat rather than shape. Ironically, the name Dyson sphere came because others, especially science fiction writers, grabbed the idea and popularized the spherical version in novels, games, and TV shows. Dyson himself later admitted in interviews that he never thought the concept would become the thing he was most famous for. In a 2003 interview, he called the paper a little joke and joked that it was funny he became known for something he initially viewed as a playful thought experiment. The joke wasn't that the idea was stupid. Dyson expected an advanced civilization might really build something like this, but he didn't expect it to burst out into popular culture the way it has. Science fiction quickly grabbed the concept and ran with it. You'll see Dyson spheres in video games, novels, and even in Star Trek: The Next Generation, where the Enterprise discovers a massive abandoned sphere. SETI researchers also adopted the idea seriously, not because they think aliens are definitely building spheres, but because looking for unusual infrared radiation, heat signatures, is a clever way to search for something artificial among the stars. So what started as a speculative idea to help scientists detect extraterrestrial life has become a core part of how people imagine the future of civilizations, from science to fiction. What's fascinating is that Dyson wasn't trying to design a physical structure reachable with current tech. He was imagining what a civilization far beyond us might build if it needed energy on a truly astronomical scale. Despite being partly a thought experiment and partly a joke to its creator, the Dyson sphere idea inspired real scientific discussion about energy limits, technological evolution, and how we might detect intelligent life across the cosmos. If the most famous idea you're known for started as a bit of playful speculation, does that mean your wildest thoughts might actually be the most important?